Hi guys, it's Stecker. I'm going to show you how I draw with my students live, face-to-face on Zoom using my iPhone as a second camera. In your meeting, click on Share Screen. Now, I'm using the iPhone via cable option. So I click on that and I already have my iPhone plugged in. I like to be able to charge it as I'm working. Click Share. Connect your iPhone to your MacBook and click Trust. Now it's going to share your iPhone screen. So I'm in the camera view, so whatever I'm drawing shows up on the camera screen, so therefore my students can see that and they can also see me at the same time. For security reasons, I'm in this meeting alone, so if there were students, we would be able to see them and we would be able to interact. So please keep in mind, anything that shows up on your iPhone screen will show. So make sure that you shut off your cell service and your Wi-Fi so that way you don't receive any unwanted messages, because they will show up.